If you work with the standard settings for the display of the piece color, each piece has its own color and all elements of the piece are displayed in the same color. By working, always keep an eye on the element colors. In some cases, it could be that one element you construct is not assigned to the correct piece. The text I created should belong to my cuff, not to my front piece. This is not the case. Like you can see, it doesn't have the color of my cuff and doesn't move with it but with my front piece. In order to change it, I use the function assign element. Click the text with the left mouse button and click then the cuff it should belong to, with the left mouse button. The hotkey for this useful function is W. Like usual, it is possible to use the multi-selection if you need to change the belonging of many elements at once. Select the elements with the right mouse button or with the help of a frame by using the middle mouse button, confirm the selection with the left mouse button and click the new piece with the left mouse button. This situation could happen too if you copy one element from one piece to another one. Assign the duplicated element to the piece it should belong to with the function assign element. There is the possibility by copying elements to directly assign them to another piece. Immediately after having started the function copy element normal, you will have to press the tabulator key. Then you can select the element to be copied, position the duplicated element at the new place with the left mouse button and finally click the new piece with the left mouse button. It would be also possible to select many elements at once by using the multi-selection. Start the function. Press the tabulator key. Select the elements with the right mouse button or with the help of a frame by using the middle mouse button, confirm the selection with the left mouse button and use again the left mouse button to indicate the position where the duplicated elements are to be placed. Don't forget to click the new piece the duplicated elements should belong to, with the left mouse button.